Tuklar nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kejelau Conrad ke sangma ha kesi palai Ïakynduh yau menteri ketenat kampo yang ke sorga pedeng Amit Shah nak benta ban Phah Tuklar ban Pyntreikam ya ke jing Pyntreikam ya ke inline permit ban khangla ya ke jing wan buhai shnong bian bat wanrung na Bangladesh lingba ki khaput jong ke jela Meghalaya Conrad ula kerpat ru ban thau kerpang ya ke Meghalaya kadra ban penrung ya ktin khasi bat garu ha ka kredit ka bapra jong ka riti sanchar kari bar ban ai ka kerteng ya ki wei na ki surok ha Delhi ha ka kerteng jong upurno e sangma bamkwai ha dwaru ble menteri rangba uloong baga yeng dorbar thawan ka jilla klade ban minjur ya ka resolution bat kila ai ru buntli ki dor khas ka sorgar pedeng na ka benta ban Pyntreikam no ya ka ILP hapo Meghalaya Conrad ula penkan mau biang ya ka jingkerpat jong ka jilla kabala slembha ban ithu e ka ktin khasi bat garu bat ong ngalapan kan mau sa sisien yo Amit Shah ban ngila minjur ya ka rai ha ka bayde bat kani ha assembly bat bun sien ngila ID ka dor khas cho da ka bakan tu yu ban perkhat ban penrung ya ka ktin khasi bat ka ktin garu ha ka khrnit ka bapra halor ka jingterwa ban pen ya khlat e ka ru company so lang ya ki join kadra bat ka Assam Conrad uloong kumba pilatip mentahi ngidon ya ka join kadra jong ka Meghalaya Assam bat omdan ki wei pat ki jela hakari ki badan ya ka join kadra bat namar kata ngala kerpat bat kentu ya menteri kampo yeng baladala ban pinya khlat no ya ka kadra ka Assam bat ka Meghalaya ru kan yo no la ka jong ka kadra kan long shisha ka jingmentoy ka bakrau ya ka jela Meghalaya shosho Conrad la kerpat badi ban ai ka kerteng ya ka wei ka surok ha New Delhi ha ka kerteng jong UPA sangma ubala khlat no da ka bakado ya ka jing no senyang jong shaka than chate la mingi bat shaki ritpai.
Today I had a meeting with the Honorable Home Minister of India, Shri Amit Shah ji, and 4 important agendas were discussed. First agenda was regarding a separate cadre for the state of Meghalaya. As you're aware, right now we have a joint cadre of Meghalaya Assam cadre, and no other state in the country have got a joint cadre. And therefore I have requested and urged the Honorable Home Minister that if the cadre of Assam and Meghalaya could also be segregated and Meghalaya could get its dedicated officials, it would be a great benefit to the state of Meghalaya. The second subject which I took up today in the meeting was regarding the inclusion of Garo and Khasi language in the 8th schedule. I once again reminded Honorable Home Minister that we had passed a resolution in this regard in the Assembly, and multiple times we have submitted a memorandum to him urging him to consider inclusion of Garo and Khasi language in the 8th schedule. The third agenda was regarding the implementation of ILP in the state of Meghalaya. And as you're aware that we have already passed a resolution in the House and multiple memorandums have been submitted, I reminded the Honorable Home Minister once again, especially keeping in mind the current situation along the international border and the different kind of situations unfolding in the neighboring country. And keeping all of these factors in mind, it was important to not only strengthen the presence of our forces along the border, creation of more infrastructure, but at the same time having a mechanism to check illegal immigration and infiltration in the state of Meghalaya. And given the current circumstances and the current laws that are there in the country, the only option that we have is to go for an ILP, and based on that we have once again urged the Honorable Home Minister to consider that. The fourth subject that we discussed was regarding naming of a road in the name of late P.A. Sangmaji in New Delhi, the capital of our country. I urged the Honorable Home Minister that late P.A. Sangmaji was a national figure, a person who always has raised his voice for the Northeast, for the tribals and for the minorities, and a tall figure in the northeast and in the state of Meghalaya, as well as in the country at large. And therefore, it would be truly befitting to have a road in the capital named after late P.S. Amma.